look like the market has made up its mind which direction it wants to move in. Do you have any more insights, or what are the levels to watch out for?
Absolutely. See, what you can clearly see in this market is there is a gap down, followed by a gap up, followed by a gap down, and again a gap up. So that's the nature of the market currently, which is confusing both the bulls and the bears. It's not heading anywhere. In a nutshell, it's actually consolidating in forming a range or a triangle kind of a pattern. Having said that, looking at today's move, I will be bullish because the time is also supportive. Looking at the time cycles, it's on the buy side. And I think Nifty can head towards the level of 17,280 on the upside, which is the area where there is a very high volume profile. So 17,280 can be the possible target here. Use dips from here around 17,140 as a buying opportunity, keeping a stop loss on the downside somewhere around 17,050 levels. So 17,050 is the stop loss. Use dips to buy for the target of 17,280 is what I think should be Nifty heading towards.
Right. Good afternoon, Ashish. This is Cheryl also joining in, and the possible target that you're seeing on the Nifty on the upside is 17,280. And which are the stocks that you're actually liking at this point in time? No doubt the benchmarks are definitely volatile, but on the stocks, which one are you eyeing right now?
Absolutely. See, the first stock on the buy side is going to be Vaibhav Global. The stocks has corrected quite sharply over the past few months, but it formed a very strong base around that 350, 370 mark, and from there we have seen bouncing on the upside. So possibly it is starting the next leg or the third wave on the upside, which can take prices towards the level of 506, and one can maintain a stop loss of 456 levels. So even if 506 is taken out, I'll not be surprised to see the stock touching 550 levels. So that will be the first pick. The next stock on the buy side is going to be Credit Access Grameen. We can clearly see a very good run up in the stock from the levels of 650, touched around 1050 levels, showed some kind of a flat pattern, and now should give a breakout on the upside. The volumes are good, so one can create long position in Credit Access, keeping a stop loss of 964 for the target of 1070.
Those are the picks coming in from Ashish this afternoon. And just to recap for the benefit of our viewers, it's a buy call on Vaibhav Global and a buy call on Credit Access. On that note, thank you so much, Ashish, for joining us on the show, giving us your take on where you see the Nifty headed in the near term, as well as the stocks that one should look out for. But let's move on.